Say hi, Mama. And there's Sophia. See, we're at the dog park. We're playing. Yeah, go get each other. See? Come on, Mama. Oh, they love to play together. Oh. Where'd Mama go? Where'd Mama go? Mama! Mama! Oh, she's playing hide and seek with Sophia. There she is. She's hiding in the bushes. Na boo boo, Sophia. Go get her. Get her. Get her, Sophia. Come on. Come on, Mama. Come on. Mama! She's hiding. Here she comes. There's the girl. They're pouncing on each other. It's so cute. Are you a little lion right now? They love playing with each other. Say right, Mama? Say hi, Mama. Hi. You guys having fun? What a life. What a life. These are my two goofballs. They're playing. They love each other. Did Sophia chase you up a tree? Did she chase you up there? You guys stalking each other? Hey, Sophia. Hi, Mama. You're so pretty. You're so pretty, Mama. What you guys gonna do? Get Mama! Sophia! Get Mama, kitty! Get Mama! Wanna come down? Come here, Mama. Come on. Let's get down. Hey, Ding Dong. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. She's never too far away. Here she comes. She saw us running away and she had to come back to us. Yeah, kid? You having fun? Uh-oh. Here comes Sophia. Let's see what they do. You guys love each other. Look at that. Go get the kitty. Get her. Sophia, you gonna go get Mama? Go get her. Here she comes. Look at her. She's stalking. She's stalking Mama. She's gonna wait to pounce. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. And then just totally goes right past her. Mama is one tolerant kitty, but they love each other. What you guys doing? Huh? You running, Mama? It's cute to watch them explore together. It still amazes me. All right, come on, guys.